Everyone, good afternoon. This is immigration attorney Ali Subhan with Subhan Law Office. We have offices in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, as well as Sarasota, Florida, and we specialize in family and corporate immigration services. Today, we are proud to be sponsoring Easy Wills Wisconsin. The company provides a platform that helps Wisconsin residents create a will for absolutely free. Let me say that again. You can get your last will and testament done and completed online in a very short amount of time with little hassle on any device for absolutely free. So please check them out at www.easywillswi.com. Subhan Law Office is focused on providing greater access to legal services. We believe in helping entrepreneurs that their mission is to provide greater access to legal services. So we have partnered with easywillswi.com to provide greater access to estate planning type of services, specifically wills. Easy Wills Wisconsin is not a law firm or a substitute for an attorney, but is a document preparation service that can help you easily and quickly draft your Wisconsin will online. And so today I want to go through a tutorial with you on Easy Wills Wisconsin. And just a little disclaimer that Subhan Law Office is has a membership interest in Easy Wills Wisconsin. But here we go. And it's a great tool, and we hope that you get a lot of value and benefit from using it. So as you can see, this is the home page. If you scroll down, you'll see the features that are included, which includes you have the ability to choose guardians for your children. You have the ability to choose a personal representative. There's also a provision to protect all of your digital property. There's research that has been showing that people's accounts for different applications that you use either on your phone, your desktop, or laptop, or another device has been growing or doubling almost every year. So if you have, let's say, 100 different accounts right now, by next year you'll have 200 different accounts. So you definitely want to make sure you have a digital property provision in your last will and testament. For instance, Facebook has very specific wording in their terms of service that state how, when you pass away, how someone such as a personal representative can get access to your account. And with Easy Wills Wisconsin, their provision provides you the ability to get access to those accounts of your loved ones if they pass away. So you also will leave your property as you wish and desire to the loved ones that you choose, or institutions or other charities of your choice. This software platform allows you to create a will online, and then you'll be able to digitally print the PDF within minutes. It's available for instant download after you complete a simple questionnaire, which will save you thousands on legal fees. And this was designed by a world-class estate planning attorney, and it will protect you under Wisconsin laws. Sorry. So again, you'll answer a simple questionnaire online, and then the software will do the rest. Most people filling out the form are able to complete it in with about 30 minutes or under. So after completing the questions, you can just sit back and relax, and the software will take care of all the paperwork for you. No more stress of having to try to figure all this out yourself, the complexity of drafting a will. The questions are in plain English and simple to read and answer. Next, when you're done with the questionnaire, you'll be taken to a preview of your entire will that's been drafted. You'll be able to look at the will and review it. If there's any changes you want to make, you can just go back into the questionnaire and then make your changes there and go back to the preview screen again, which we'll see later in this video. And after, if everything looks good, then you'll just click download the PDF and you'll print. And there is one last step. You have to sign your will before two witnesses and a notary. Typically, that can be done at your local bank for free. So here's a testimonial of what people are saying about using Easy Wills. They appreciate the savings on the time, how quick and easy it is, and that they find it a great tool to use. So let's get started. You'll be taken to this on the bottom of the home page. You can click on Start Your Will. And you'll be taken to this page, which says Free Wisconsin Will. That's how you know you're in the right place. Again, we write a little information here about getting started on your will, but I'm going to let you go ahead and review that. And today we're just going to go through the form and how you'd fill out the questionnaire. So first, we're going to enter your name. Then you're going to enter your date of birth. Next, you're going to enter your email. As you can see, I have some of this filled out for us just so we have spare some time for us. And as you see here, if something comes up and you need to save your form and continue later, you can easily do so and you'll be sent a link. Again, this form, it uses encryption here. As you can see at the top, the lock. Your information is safe and secure. Now you'll enter your address. One thing to note about this will, as of right now, you do have to own a piece of property, a home or a condo, or some other land to be able to move forward with the will. If you don't have a piece of property that you own or have a mortgage on right now, then unfortunately this will is not for you. But if you do, then this will be very helpful to you. Okay, so here now it asks you to tell us a little bit about your family. You can hit the drop down here and select different statuses of your marital status. We're just going to put married. And here you enter your name of your spouse and just click next. Next, you're going to ask, do you have any children? If you do, let's click yes. You can add additional children by clicking this addition button here, but I'm just going to leave it for one for now. And there's a really cool feature of our software program, which it auto-populates for you based on the answers that you give. So for instance, we chose that we were married and that we had children. So now these answers are automatically populated for us. But if you want to choose a different answer, you can. But I'm going to leave it auto-populated for now because these are the most common answers, okay? Again, auto-populates for you. Put in your address of your home. And you can see how simple and easy this is. It asks a couple of questions about some other assets that you might have. Do you have a 401k? Do you have life insurance, IRAs? I'm going to put these three. Do you own or have any interest in a business? If you do, click yes. If you don't, you can click no. I'm going to put yes. Residue property. This means that if anything was left out of your will, where would you like that property to go? Here again, it's auto-populated. If you're married, leave everything to my spouse. And if something happened to your spouse before you passed away, then everything would be split equally among my children. I'm just going to click next. again, if you want to change these answers, you can. So now it asks to name a personal representative for your will. Most common answer is that if you're married, you're going to have your spouse be your personal representative, but then they ask you for a successor personal representative as well. And these are all fictional names. Because we chose that we had children, then it's going to ask you to name guardians, a guardian and a successor guardian. Finally, it will also ask, do you wish to disinherit anyone? I'm going to say no, but if you did, just show you what happens. You enter the person's name, and if you wanted to add additional people, you just click on the addition button, and you can add other names as well. This asks, do you want to include any funeral or burial wishes? If you did, you just click yes, put an explanation. Let's say, if you want to be cremated and then have some type of celebration, or if you want to be buried and have a wake and other things, you can put down your instructions here and it will be put into the will. I'm going to put no. Okay, again, this will is for residents of Wisconsin only at this time. So you'll put down the county that you're in Wisconsin. I'm going to put Milwaukee. You can send to the website Terms of Use and Privacy Policy for easywillswi.com. Click Next. And as I stated, you'll be taken to the preview of your will. Here is the will that's been completed for you based on the answers that you gave. My name, John Allen Doe, as the testator, my birth date, 1/6/1977, and then where I live in Wisconsin. Then you make a couple declarations. I'm married to Jennifer Beth Doe, hereafter referred to as spouse, and my children's names are as follows: Timothy John Doe. Again, these are fictional names, but you would put your information into here and it would be inserted into the will for you. But I'm just going to give you a brief overview of this will to show you that all the information is entered properly. And the language is very robust and covers many things. So you will feel that this is an awesome value for it being free. I just wanted to touch on this. We talked about your digital property being covered, and there's the provision. This will also comes with instructions. Here's where you would need to sign, but everything is here for you. And if you don't remember something and you want to look something over, there are instructions that come with the will. So that's how easy it is. Once you review it, you can come to the bottom of the screen, you'll click Submit, and you'll be taken to the final page, where right here you just click Download Your Will, and a PDF download will be created. You'll print that out. You'll sign it in front of 2 witnesses and a notary. Like I said before, you can typically go to your local branch or your bank, and they'll do that for free. So if you like this software, please let us know, and like us on Facebook, like the post that you're reading this on or that you're viewing the video. We would appreciate it. Please also give us your feedback on using the software, and we hope that it benefits you and your family. Thanks, and have a great day.